Synthetic substances are faster to produce. So when we look at plant-based drugs, such as cocaine, heroin that comes from the opium poppy plant, those are field crops that take quite a long time to grow, harvest, and then process into drugs that are used at the user level. And so with synthetic drugs, quite often these drugs can be synthesized and produced in a matter of days. The drug supply is highly complex, and we are seeing a vast number of different substances that are being cut into the fentanyl or the opioid supply, including non-medical benzodiazepines. So these are drugs that are similar to Valium or Xanax, so sedative type drugs, but these are ones that are not intended for use in humans. They've never been tested in humans, but those are being imported into Canada and then mixed into the unregulated drug supply. Also, we're seeing a vast number of high potency opioids and fentanyl analogs that are being mixed in with fentanyl and other opioids. Those are also a concern. We're also seeing a little bit of an emergence of veterinary tranquilizers, and they're referred to as veterinary tranquilizers because they're predominantly used in veterinary medicine. And then also we have an emerging class of highly potent opioids. They're non-fentanyl opioids, referred to as nidazines or benzimidazole opioids, and many analogs in that drug class have potency that's greater than fentanyl. So those are a very big concern. Also a concern is that some of these drugs are not responsive to naloxone, the drug that is used to reverse toxicity events. And so when we're looking at non-medical benzodiazepines, the veterinary tranquilizers, toxicity caused by those drugs is not going to be reversed by naloxone. So it's a very big concern, not knowing what's in the supply, and then having the supply constantly evolve is also a concern.